Hey guys, so Sunday, long weekend here in Bangkok, and we're gonna head out to Ari to try some of the food. We've been looking to go to Ari for quite some time, but we never really make time for it. And here's our taxi. I guess we're gonna hop in and go for a ride. So Ari is a pretty trendy neighborhood in Bangkok. There's a lot of coffee shops. There's a lot of coffee shops, a lot of street food, and a lot of interesting things going on there. So we want to go have a look because we never really make time to go out there. Alright guys, so we just got to Ari, we got out of a taxi cab, and we're gonna take you for a walk around. What are you in the mood to eat?
Anything. I'm so hungry now.
And we're starving. We want to show you guys some street food. We want to show you some local food. Ari's a place to eat. A lot of good coffee shops here, and a lot of good small restaurant, mom and pop places.
There is shopping mall.
Yeah, they got a shopping mall over there right now.
Check it out.
Yeah, we can check it out as well. Let's have a walk here. We'll do a lap around and we'll come back.
Okay.
All right, cool. So as you guys can see, a lot of these places are closed over here. These are mostly for the office crowd, but there's a lot of stuff around. Once we make a turn around the block,
Okay.
there might be some stuff still open. What is that? Like sweet rice.
อันนี้ขายไงคะ
ทุกคน30ครับอันนี้ข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง101ครับครับผม
This is called Kong Cheng.
Huh?
30 baht. 30 baht.
ร้อนหมดเลยครับอันนี้
We got our first pick. What is this?
Yeah, we call it Klong Klang. Klong Klang is a Thai dessert. It's made from a flour, some I don't
ร้อน
know,
เหมือน
Flour and what else?
and coconut milk.
Flour and coconut milk.
Yeah.
What is that? That looks like sago.
Yeah, it's same type of sago flour, but the shape is different. Yeah, when you eat it, it will be like a little bit like chewy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's chewy, filling, and sweet, and coconut milk.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Yeah, I like to try.
I'm gonna try that.
And this is only 30 baht, you know. And
Nice.
nowadays in Thailand,
Just like $1.
In Bangkok, it's hard to find something that's 30 baht.
Another dessert. What is this now? You gotta explain for what all this stuff is. What is this?
This is we call Sankhya. Sankhya is mean the thing on top is like custard.
อ๋อมี
It's
ซอส
egg
พลาสติกไหม
custard. And we have it with the sticky rice. This is the same sticky rice that you had with mango sticky rice. But on top of it, instead of mango, you have egg custard, which we call Sankhya.
Nice.
On top.
Nice.
It's so delicious.
So I want to try that. We got both of them. We got sugar now, so we're covered on our sugar stuff. Kapong kap. We're covered on our sugar stuff. Now we need to go find some real food, some savory. We got to find some savory food.
We haven't found food yet, but now the dessert is so
Tempting.
tempting.
So these streets are cute though. They're like totally old Thai, but they're like old Thai buildings, but they're well kept. So it's kind of like when you're in Japan. It's like all these old buildings, and they're clean and they're renovated, which is pretty uncommon. It looks quite different than a lot of streets in Bangkok or a lot of places in Bangkok for sure. Yeah. So what is that?
We call that miang kham. Miang kham is the thing. There is a lot of herbs inside of these herbs. They
Okay.
wrap some the coconut, dry coconut, and some dry shrimp and peanuts inside of there.
Should we buy one of these?
Yeah, you wanna try?
Let's try one.
We call it miang kham.
So this is our next item of collection. So
Yeah,
let me
I'm
buy
sure
that.
that you never had
I've
it
never
before.
tried
It's
that. That's
like,
interesting.
yeah, traditional food. I mean, old food.
So it's 30 baht.
30 baht.
Another dollar.
Or you can grab it by yourself.
Oh, we got all of these coins. We should have cleared out our cabinet. We have hundreds of bahts of coins.
You try it. Snack before.
Okay. Good. What is that?
It's a lime.
It's lime leaf. No, it's lime. It's real lime. They're really good.
Oh yeah, interesting.
Amazing. Peanuts in there.
Yeah, it's peanut and coconut.
We got peanuts, coconut.
Dry coconut.
Dry coconut.
And then some, I think it's a coconut sugar they put in there. And then lime.
Oh wow, so good. Nice. Refreshing. We decided on buying the chicken curry puffs, and we got the big ones. We tried the little fish ones. They were interesting, sweet, but I'm really in the mood to try one of these big ones. My girlfriend suggested we buy them to keep them around the house. I'm like, nah, I don't eat that stuff normally. It's like fried and not really healthy, but I just want to taste it. On Tong Khao. I will take one right there. Boom, thank you. This is like Japanese curry chicken.
Really? Like it?
It's really good. Tong Khao. So if you want some delicious Japanese curry puffs, come to this lady right here.
Hey, I will have some, this one, lychee sakura tea.
Okay. Fine.
งั้นเอาชาพีชค่ะ
ครับผม
I'll take the rose tea.
แล้วก็ชากุหลาบ
กุหลาบ
ค่ะหวานน้อยทั้งคู่นะคะ
ได้ครับ
Cha cheese tea beer.
อันนี้คือขนมอะไรนะคะ
เหมือนเมอร์แรงอะครับ
อ๋อ it's like meringue
Meringue. Nice. And crispy roti.
crispy roti
Nice.
with cookies
Cool. So we got the peach, and then we got the rose tea.
rose tea
Gulab. Nice. Alright, so gulab, just rose tea, and there's like cheese in there, right? Coconut. What's that?
pudding.
Coconut pudding.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, and I got the peach tea with coconut pudding.
Really good. Really good. The coconut pudding is like cheesy, kind of the texture, but it's not. That's good if you're a vegan or a vegetarian or whatever.
Yeah, and it's refreshing.
That's right. It's really good. Oh, it's amazing.
Mine is sweeter.
Yours is so sweet.
Yeah, but yours is so good. I feel like,
Want to trade?
wait, this is good. Why I always have the
So we got some quick samples.
lychee,
Lychee.
and sakura.
Oh, it's amazing.
Ah,
Really good. Nice.
yeah, it's like very fresh something.
It's really refreshing, not too sweet. A little bit of sour. Awesome. Really good. Definitely come give this place a try. Cha cheese. As you guys can see, the sun is going down and the night is just beginning. This place is great though. What do you think so far?
Yeah, it's great. It's nice.
It's cute, right?
Yeah,
it's so
it's
cute.
cute.
A lot of cool little places to eat.
Yeah, exactly, and not much people walking nearby. I mean, not so crowded, so it's very comfortable.
It's comfortable, exactly.
Like chilling.
So we're gonna switch who's holding the camera. I'm gonna hand it off to my girlfriend now.
Yeah. I'm
Okay,
foreign.
she's a little shy, but she'll get used to it.
I'm
Come on,
foreign
show us
here.
around.
Yeah, there's a lot of cute places. You
Okay.
complain that my angle is too short or something?
No. Alright guys, so I had to take the camera back from my girlfriend because She's really shy.
I don't
She doesn't want she doesn't want to talk to you guys.
No,
Yeah, whatever.
You make me look bad.
So there's a lot of Japanese places over here, a lot of Korean, a lot of foreign food, and then a lot of Thai food.
Oh,
So many Japanese places, right?
yeah.
She's really in the mood to go for sushi. She had this whole thing where she's like, I don't want to eat sushi, I don't want to eat raw fish because I heard it's contaminated, some issues. So I went with Zach to eat sushi the other day, and she's like, oh, can you take me? So what's the deal with Ari Soi 5?
I used to work here.
Oh,
Yeah,
this brings back old memories.
yeah, but that's
Okay, so apparently my girlfriend actually has been to Ari, and last time she was in Ari, she was like 15 years old.
yeah,
And
about 10 years ago.
she had like 10 years ago or
I feel like
11 years
old.
ago. How old are you? 26. 11 years ago.
10.
Yeah, 10, whatever. So she wants to go through Soi 5 because she used to work at a house over here. Memories. This is memory lane.
Oh, it's how it changed a lot.
So this is a stroll down memory lane. Definitely go to Cha Cheese. The owner is very friendly and the drinks are really good. This cost me 50 baht, which is not even $2. It was a hell of a deal, which is pretty standard for Bangkok right now. But you get really good quality for what you pay for. Alright guys, so after much debate, we looked at some street food. There's not that much going on right now. I guess because of COVID, a lot of things are still shut down. So we found this northern style place and this northern food, and we want to try it. What do you think?
Yeah, of course, I think so. Since you don't want to eat sushi, which I often.
Okay, I had sushi on Monday, and then we had a whole debate about this. I gave you some sushi to take home.
Okay, so we decided to come to this place called On Tong Khao Soi. On Tong is like northern word, like On Tong. I don't even know what does it mean actually, but it's kind of cute, something like that.
Okay. So then we got all this interesting food. What's the difference between northern food and Central Thai food or Isan food? What is the emphasis on the food exactly?
Northern food actually is more it's spicy and sweet.
Okay.
I think. But Isan food is more spicy and salty.
You gotta talk into the camera. Talk to the audience.
The Isan food is more spicy and salty, as my experience. And Thai food, like Central food, is not that spicy, but sweet and sour.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let's give it a try.
Yeah.
What are we looking at here?
And also like northern style food, they have some paste, chili paste with a lot of vegetable.
Okay.
And we have sausage. And this is the
I'm gonna try the
recommended
sausage.
menu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm hungry now. Let's go.
Let's go.
I don't understand.
Push.
Auto, but push
Yeah,
but
auto.
auto.
And so we decided to go upstairs. Place, it looks small on the downstairs. It's nice and clean.
But this is look Japanese style.
Totally looks Japanese style. Oh. Oh, it looks more cozy up here. Definitely. Okay. My girlfriend is camera shy. She talks to me instead of talking to the camera. So why don't you explain to the audience, what are we looking at over here?
You make me look like a kid. Come on. Okay, this yeah, I'm gonna order this one. Is the best seller here, which is Khao Soi. Khao Soi is actually mean noodle. Khao Soi is the noodle in the curry soup.
Okay.
Yeah. And our order, the sausage is really unique because they mix all herbs with pork inside of there.
Nice.
This is the lemongrass pandas.
How is it?
It's nice.
Yeah?
Mm.
Let me try.
Sweet. It's not too sweet, but it's okay. It has smell of lemongrass and pandas leaf. You guys know what pandas leaf is?
It tastes like, this tastes like Fruit Loops with lemongrass. Fruit Loops is American cereal, breakfast cereal.
Oh, really good.
It's totally cereal milk with lemongrass. It's awesome.
This is the chicken curry
Okay.
noodle. Khao Soi.
Khao Soi. First one. The best. This is the best. Apparently the best seller.
Yeah. And when Khao Soi we had it with pickle, cabbage, and shallot and
Red onions. This is like pickled vegetable and then lemon,
Yes.
lime, manao.
And you can adjust
What's
the
that?
taste.
What's that?
Oh,
Let me
this
get the crab.
Oh, yeah, the crab fat. Smell it. Similar to inside.
It's crab fat. That's so interesting.
Yes. A little bit, I think, a little bit.
This looks like laksa. You know laksa?
Oh, yes, laksa, Singapore.
Exactly.
Singaporean food. But this one, they have crispy noodle inside it too. How is it?
It's the same.
It's the same, it's laksa. Ah,
So similar.
we call that khao soi.
Khao Soi. Here we go. Put some lime juice. It changes it a little bit.
Oh, what is it? Ah,
What is
this
that?
Gang
Oh, that's
hang lei.
nice.
This is pork, Northern style pork curry. But the pork that they use is like fatty pork.
Nice.
Yeah.
That was good. Really good.
Yeah.
It's crunchy. And then once you put the lime juice in there, it's a little sour. And then it has the onions and the pickles. It gives it, I don't know exactly what you call those. They're like radishes or something like that, but that gives a lot of flavor too. This is the pork now.
Pork curry.
That's amazing.
Wanna eat some fat pork?
It's totally like stewed. It's almost like eating stewed beef. That's pork. So good. Alright guys, so we just finished up having dinner at this place. Amazing food. The first time I've tried northern Thai food. Definitely worth a try. Lots of curries and lots of fun flavors. It's cool. This place, I would highly recommend to try it out. Inexpensive and good quality food.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's good. The price is reasonable actually. And the taste of the food is very authentic.
Authentic. There you go. You have it from a real Thai person, real live Thai person telling you. Try this place out. It was cool. Alright guys. See you next time.